What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Blizzard here, aka Alan, and today I'm finally bringing you a video with the Volkswagen again on how to recalibrate your DCC with OBDEleven. I'm out of breath for some reason. Yes, I installed these lowering springs like forever ago, and you're supposed to like let them settle. That's like 800 miles, so they've been settled for a while now. I just forgot my password to this. It was a nice catch, and I had to wait for OBDEleven to get back with me so I could reset it, show them proof of purchase, stuff like that. But they got it all figured out. They got me situated, so I'm good now. So I'm not very familiar with OBDEleven, but I'm going to be following this thing right here I saw on Facebook, so it'll be hopefully right here, I think. I'm gonna try and like screen record on my phone so you guys can kind of see how to do that as well. Doesn't seem too hard to do. I know basically you don't have to use a lift. I just have access to a lift, so it's much easier. If you pause and looked at that thing, you'll see. Good, bruh? Okay. Basically, you're gonna have to like go into some settings, raise it up off all four wheels, so you can do it with jack and jack stands. Just lift is easier. I might have to pause in the middle of this because I gotta go do something, help somebody with something. But yeah, I'm gonna get this plugged in, get in the car, and yeah, we'll go there and see if we can't figure this out. Like I said, I'm not very familiar with using this yet, so I'm gonna try my best. So let me get in the car, get situated, and we'll get started. Alright guys, I'm sitting in the car because it's easier that way. I got all four tires jacked up off the ground with their full droop, dangling, not touching the ground. Let me start screen recording here. 3, 2, 1, screen recording. I'm going to talk through it, but I'm also going to screen record. That way I can hopefully put it up in the video so you can see it and understand it. Should be pretty easy. Basically here in the bottom right, you're going to see this square that opens up modules. You're going to go all the way down to 14. According to the picture, it's supposed to be adaptive suspension, but on this car, at least for the iPhone version, I am using an iPhone, not an Android. It says wheel dampening, so you click wheel dampening. Then you're going to go down to adaptions, adapting with deflected wheels. Let that load. Swipe to right, white, yeah. It's going to ask for the code. You just use the 2010-3 logins. It's going to verify code, success. And you swipe down on that, and then swipe down, go back, and then stay in control unit 14. Go down to basic settings, adapted with deflected wheels. Let that load. I don't have very good service, so I gotta hold it out here. And oh yeah, make sure you keep track of what the numbers say. I already took a screenshot of it, so I know what it says. And then you hit slide to start. It'll say basic settings ended. I think that's it, ain't it? Says don't change any values. Select enter basic settings. Select adapted with deflected wheels. Slide to start. It should run for a second and then say something like basic settings ended. That's it, and you're done. So I'm just gonna do it one more time just to make sure. Okay, and then let's go back to make sure my numbers changed. Let's see if it changed here. Yep, they did change. So it says double check adaptions to make sure the values have changed and saved. And so yeah, let me just end this. So now we're lowered on the ground and we should be done. So let me get it off the ground and off the rack, and that was actually really easy. So let me get this lowered and off the rack, and we'll go see if it made a difference. All right, guys. Yeah, I think it's done. I wouldn't say it rides as good as factory suspension, well, factory springs. It is smoother though. I don't know. I've been riding with it not calibrated for so long. I kind of got used to it. I kind of forget what normal suspension feels like, and you're probably gonna swing. Yep. Sorry about that. I need to get a better mount for the inside of my car. But yeah, I wouldn't say it's as good as factory, but it definitely does feel better, because it used to feel like you've Not that you did bottom out, but that's what it felt like anytime you hit a bump. You'd be sitting here bouncing up and down. But no, it's better. It's a lot better than what it was. I wouldn't compare it to factory though. But I was able to do how it was riding, hard, stiff. So this is a little better. It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be to do. So it's actually not that much difficult, not that much hard. English is so freaking hard for me. Yeah, I've been needing to do that for like a while now, and I finally did it. So yeah, because usually this road right here, I'd feel all these little bumps. Not bad, but it just felt worse. So yeah, if you guys have any questions on how to do it, or if you get stuck somewhere, leave them down in the comments and I'll get back with you with them. If you're new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. And yeah, until then, we'll see you in the next one. Later.